Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the amazing benefits of drinking turmeric water at night. Imagine a simple, soothing drink with powerful effects, a drink that's been cherished for centuries for supporting health and tackling ailments. This magical drink, made from just 2 simple ingredients, might already be in your kitchen. It's called turmeric water, and tonight, we'll uncover 10 incredible reasons why adding this to your nightly routine could be a game changer for your well-being. We'll even show you how to make the perfect turmeric water and offer a few helpful tips to maximize its impact. Ready to harness the ancient power of turmeric? Grab your cup and join us on this journey. Just a reminder, this video is meant for educational purposes and should not replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Turmeric, with its distinctive golden color, has long been valued for its health-enhancing properties, especially for liver health. The secret lies in its curcuminoids, the compounds in turmeric responsible for much of its wellness potential. Curcumin is the star, but others, like desmethoxycurcumin, also help keep the liver in top shape. Studies reveal that these compounds have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and liver protective properties, making them valuable allies in neutralizing free radicals, reducing inflammation, and helping the liver regenerate. Drinking turmeric water before bed may help support bile production, which aids in fat digestion and toxin removal. For a liver-loving routine, try warming up to turmeric water tonight. If you struggle with joint discomfort, turmeric water at night may offer some natural relief. Turmeric is packed with powerful compounds beyond curcumin, including turmerones and gingerols, which help soothe inflammation and reduce joint pain. Together, these compounds work to block inflammatory signals and ease the soreness associated with conditions like arthritis. Recent studies highlight that turmeric's blend of curcumin and essential oils can improve joint flexibility and offer better relief than curcumin alone. This golden tonic not only eases stiffness but also promotes relaxation, supporting restful sleep with its natural calming effects. Looking to support smoother digestion? Drinking turmeric water at night may do just that. Turmeric encourages bile production, which helps break down fats, and its anti-inflammatory benefits can reduce irritation in the digestive tract, promoting healthier digestion. Curcumin is well known for aiding digestion, but research also points to other helpful compounds like turmerone and turmerin, which can stimulate digestive enzyme production. Studies show these enzymes play a key role in processing food more efficiently and easing digestive strain, so consider sipping turmeric water to keep your gut in balance. Turmeric's compounds, including gingerol and bismumethoxycurcumin, work together to provide a powerful immune boost. Gingerol, known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, helps protect cells from damage while supporting immune strength. Bismumethoxycurcumin has been shown to encourage the production of white blood cells, essential for fending off infections. Drinking turmeric water nightly can help activate your immune response, strengthening your body's defenses naturally. Incorporate turmeric water into your evening ritual for a steady, natural way to support your immune system. Drinking turmeric water at night is popular for weight management, and there's solid science behind it. Compounds like turmerin, in addition to curcumin, have been found to help the body reduce fat storage and improve how it metabolizes fats. Studies suggest turmeric can also support bile flow, which assists the body in breaking down fats more effectively, promoting better digestion and supporting your weight loss goals. If you're looking for a natural way to support a healthier metabolism, turmeric water might be worth adding to your nighttime routine. Turmeric water at night may offer support for those seeking mood balance. Studies show that curcumin, along with over 100 other helpful compounds in turmeric, work to release serotonin and dopamine, 2 neurotransmitters that regulate mood and improve sleep. These compounds work together to bring natural relief from anxiety and depression by protecting brain cells from oxidative stress. Adding turmeric water to your nightly routine can offer a gentle way to support mental clarity and calm, helping you unwind and reset for a better day ahead. For those looking to support stable blood sugar, turmeric water can be a valuable addition. Research shows that curcumin can improve insulin sensitivity, helping the body process sugars more effectively and may reduce the resistance that leads to blood sugar spikes. A study found that supplementing with curcumin can reduce fasting blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for long-term health. Drinking turmeric water at night may help your body manage blood sugar better while you sleep, making it an easy, natural addition to your wellness plan. Turmeric's natural properties are known to help support a range of health issues, including erectile dysfunction. Curcumin and termerone in turmeric have been shown to stimulate adult stem cell production, potentially aiding in tissue repair, including nerve-related areas. Another turmeric compound, xanthrazole, has relaxing effects on smooth muscles, which can help improve blood flow, potentially supporting erectile function. For those exploring natural ways to support their health, incorporating turmeric water may offer helpful benefits. If you're seeking radiant skin, turmeric water at night could be a valuable addition to your routine. The curcumin in turmeric, along with other unique compounds like turmerone and termerone, supports collagen production, which helps skin stay elastic and youthful. As we age, collagen production decreases, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin, but turmeric may help stimulate its natural production, supporting a more youthful look. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can also help combat acne and other skin issues, making it a wonderful choice for overall skin health. Turmeric water's benefits don't just stop at physical health. It can also support your mind. Studies suggest that curcumin can enhance memory and cognitive function, potentially reducing the risk of age-related brain decline, such as Alzheimer's. Curcumin helps lower inflammation in the brain, which has been linked to cognitive impairment. It also promotes the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that encourages the growth of new brain cells. For those interested in cognitive health, turmeric water can be an excellent addition to your evening wellness routine. How to prepare turmeric water. Making turmeric water is simple, and there are two easy methods: turmeric powder and water. Boil 2 cups of water in a small saucepan, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and stir well. Lower the heat, let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and then cool. Strain through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove any solids, and pour into a cup to enjoy. Fresh turmeric root and water. Rinse a piece of fresh turmeric root, grate it, and bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the turmeric root to the boiling water, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After cooling slightly, strain and enjoy. For added flavor, try a touch of honey, lemon, or ginger. As we wrap up our journey through the amazing benefits of turmeric water at night, we hope you're inspired to try it for yourself. From helping reduce inflammation and supporting glowing skin to enhancing brain function and aiding in weight management, turmeric water offers a variety of wellness benefits. Remember, turmeric water isn't a miracle cure-all and shouldn't replace professional medical advice or treatments. Always check in with a healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for sticking with me today. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit the like button and share it with someone who's also on their health journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on upcoming tips and strategies. Let's keep moving forward together. See you in the next one.